Hi everybody, this is the investing teacher, high school science teacher, teaching others how to invest. This quick video I want to go over my recommendations for Wednesday. This is August 4th. I want to show how to place the order on both Schwab and on TD Ameritrade. If you haven't had either of those brokerages, this could be a good tutorial on how to put these orders in. Okay, here are my recommendations I'm giving the Patreon members for Wednesday, August 4th. We're going to look at how to do the position for CAN. So we're trying to sell a cash secured put on CAN for September 17th at the $5 strike price. And we're going to do it for 0.3 or $30 in premium. Then we want to buy to close this at $15. I also give the current stock price 7.72, good amount of cushion from this to 5. Delta's 0.12, IV's 136%. So if you're going on TD Ameritrade, you're going to go to Options, Orders, and you want to do a single order for CAN. We want to sell to open this order because we're selling the contract. Do one contract, expiration date, we're going to pick September 17th. And then the limit order, we're looking for at least 0.3. So for price, you're going to put 0.3. Time and force is day. If you're doing this at close of market, it will try to do it on the next day. And that's really about it. You're then going to click review order and then confirm it. If you want to do this on Schwab, it's pretty similar. You go to trade, options trading. Under symbol, you can type in the name of the symbol, CAN. We're going to go to the September 17th strike price. At the $5 strike, we're going to sell a put, so click the put side. Under actions, do sell to open. One contract. Order type is do a limit order again at 0.3. Keep it as a day order. Shows the estimated amount of premium received will be $30. And then you click review order and submit. That's really about it. So this is how you set up your initial positions based on the recommendations that are given each day. Okay, so if you're interested in these recommendations each day, I do quite a bit of research on looking for high probability trades with good chance of success, earning about 4% a month in most of these premiums. Feel free to sign up in the Patreon down below under patreon.com/investingteacher. We're still free for the rest of August if you want to just take a test drive out. And you could always ask me any questions you want on the Discord or on email. So again, I'm the investing teacher, high school science teacher, teaching others how to invest. Hopefully this helps. Any questions, leave a comment down below. And have a good one.